Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my second video with my BMW E90. Today we're going to be replacing the filters. So this is the engine filter, and this really big one is the cabin filter. Let's get started. So first we'll start with the airbox, which is quite easy. You've got 7 T25 screws right around the outside. Alrighty, once all the screws are out, pretty simple. Just grab the airbox. What the fuck? Just taken the filter housing off. It seems I've got some unfamiliar filter in there. Does not look like the filter that I bought, which looks like that. It's some circular foreign object. If any of you guys know what filter goes in there, let me know. Alrighty, since the first filter was Nell, we'll be starting with the cabin filter. The cabin filter has an 8mm bolt here, one there, and then one in that corner for a total of 5. So we'll get that out really quickly.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Alrighty, so we've just taken out the 5 8mm bolts. We'll take the filter out now. As you can see, it is shocking.
Whoa, look at those calipers, dude! So nice and red.
Okay, 15-minute job. In like 5 minutes. Now just look at the cleanliness of that.
Dude,
it is astronomical.
It looks no different.
Look at the difference.
Oh, I guess a little bit.
You're kidding yourself if you think it's a little bit. So this is a carbon filter. You can see all the actual carbon there. It's a little nifty little thing there. Alrighty, this seems relatively easy. I got no idea what I'm doing. Alrighty, new filter's in. Let's put it back on the car. But this is also another good opportunity to clean out dirt. So we'll get started on that. Reinstall the 5 bolts. Surely there's a course for Butterfingers.
Butterfingers, dude. I think. Excited.
And that is how you change your filters. Got cabin filter done successfully, but bit of an L with the airbox. Bit of an L.
Oh well, dude.
If any of you know what that conical filter is, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.